we took a Waymo in San Francisco.
We did take a Waymo.
And we actually got stuck. We actually got into
That's right.
a situation where there's a car accident in front of us. Didn't involve us.
That's right.
And we pushed a button for customer service, and literally somebody took control of the car.
Yeah.
We're talking to us, saying, all right, we're going to take a look at what's going on. And they said, okay, it looks like there's an accident in front of you, whatever, hang tight.
Yep.
And then they said, and then they just took control.
Remote assist.
Yeah. And all of a sudden the wheel goes reverse, and then,
Yeah, but I have a theory about this.
Don't say it. Don't say it. What is it? It's all in India?
Yeah, there's a call center.
Oh no, dude. Just like Amazon, Amazon Fresh.
Amazon Fresh got busted, right?
Oh no, yes.
We're not making this so you can search this. Amazon Fresh, that you're going to put stuff, you're going to walk in, grab whatever stuff you need and walk out.
Walk out.
And we'll charge your account, right? All using AI and all this stuff. No, there was people remote watching you.
Yes, stalking you.
Yep. And then doing the transactions manually.
Yeah.
And I think it was in India or whatever,
Yeah.
call center.
Yeah.
So now this is the same thing. This is like an episode of Silicon Valley, right?
Yes.
Except these guys are sitting with the wheel like Gran Torino. Sitting there, they're like, "Oh, just got a new ride."
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
You know? And if you need anything, just press the button and then, yeah, how can I help you?
Oh,
I'm
dude.
stuck behind a car accident. Yeah, let me get you out of that jam 1 second.
Yeah.
And then the car, real slow.
So we said that there was they were using AI. They were just using.
Yeah, no. Too far.
No?
Yeah, that might.
Okay.
I know where you're going with it.
All right.
Maybe we hold that one.
All right.
All right. That was the AI. We should do that. AI, the top of the podcast is our AI little
AI minute. Yeah.
minute, whatever.
All right.
Okay. We launched this whole thing around AI, kind of, but also we talked about our AI stack for creating commercial videos, and we threw it up on episode 1 on all the streaming platforms. We put it on YouTube. And actually, it's been a great tool just to have, because we've been getting a lot of requests and questions from people we know. They say, how did you do that? What tools did you use? Mm-hmm. So now we've been able to send the episode and say, here's a breakdown of how we did it.
Yeah.
And it's amazing how little people still know. They think, that you put in a prompt maybe and the whole thing just came out.
Yeah.
It's like, no, it's a combination of many tools, and you have to get creative of how you use them and how they sort of intertwine with each other. Mm-hmm. And so we thought, well, how many startups have we worked with that have started from zero? Quite a bit, right? Mm-hmm. Since we've been doing this. And so we thought, well, what are some quick kind of, tools we can put out there? Some of them we use, some of them we've used, obviously, that can help someone who's just now in that sort of ideation phase, right? Mm-hmm. We call that idea phase. This is way before you've got an MVP, or maybe you're working on an MVP, but you're like, I need to take this idea and actually become a company, right? I need to form it. I need to eventually raise money, all those things. And I know there's resources, a million of them out there for startup founders. And so I want to I don't want to go too deep into that, but I also want to talk about if you're just a small business owner, because there's plenty of those that they're not a startup, they're not a SaaS business or anything like that, but they don't have no idea, even the beginning of how do I track time? How do I bill an invoice? How do I run it? Just very simple things. Mm-hmm. How do I communicate with employees or partners?
Yeah.
Things like that.
Yeah. And some of this stuff is, we take it for granted now, but it's interesting because we do work with a lot of clients, and then we'll realize that they don't have this, or they're not using some of this stuff, and it becomes pretty clear.
Yeah.
Like, and we kind of show them the way.
Yeah, absolutely. So why don't we kick it off with number one? So this is the first one. Believe it or not, Stripe, who has, I mean, Clutch. These guys have been around a long time. And they were really technical for a long time, meaning they were heavily used by developers and people that were more tech focused, had to know how to use Stripe. And then it started slowly going more sort of consumer, more
front end,
user friendly, to the point where now people can launch subscriptions using Stripe. People can do all kinds of things with Stripe. And one of the things that people do not know about Stripe is that they have a product called Atlas. And I'll pull it up here. You'll see here right on the homepage of Atlas, incorporate your startup. And the cool thing about Atlas is that if you're, especially if you're a startup, Atlas will go through and do all the formation for you. So it'll create the Delaware Corp for you. It'll give you the EIN number. And then it'll help you with your, for example, for stock formation, like setting all that up, issuing shares. They guide you through all that process. And it takes, honestly, days. It takes days to do, and I think it's $500. So imagine trying to figure all that out and sort it out on your own.